Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having an awesome day. I'm going to show you these Canva tips and tricks you wish you knew before watching this video. Anyways, let's get into the video, guys. So, as you've just seen, I've just clicked T to add some quick text. That is a simple one. You can alter the text afterwards as well. We've just clicked on the background. Tip number 2, click on the background and you can change the color to tint on the background, which is really cool. So we've just made it a bit yellower. It's like a sunset maybe, or however you want to do it. Tip 3, guys, what we're going to do is go to home on Canva and brand kit, upload the photo on the left of your logo, and then you want to click the three dots and extract color palette, and that will come up down below. I think you can only be limited to 3 colors in your color palette if you're not a non-Canva Pro subscriber. Sorry about that. But you can create other palettes down, and I've just done a blue color palette here. Sorry about the spelling. Also, I am British, so it's not Color. There is a U in it. Anyways, let's go back to the Canva design, reload the page, and go back to the colors. Here we go. And as you can see, the blue color palette does show up, and so does my logo extraction one, that does show up as well. So that's a really cool, neat feature to have a brand kit of colors on Canva. That is really cool. So the fourth tip that we have here is these letter frames, right? As you can see, it has sort of a placeholder in it right now, and what you can do is you can pick photos and drag it over the top of the letters. There's loads of letters to choose from. Under elements you can just search letter frames, and once you search letter frames they will all show up, the letters A to Z and also 1 to 9. All those do show up for you guys, and as you can see I'm trying to reposition the photo inside the letter, and what you do is you double click on the photo inside the letter and you can rearrange it, move it wherever you like, crop it and stuff like that, and that's really cool. I like this. It can make your photos stand out inside the letter frames. It does look really cool. Let me try it with different cars here. I'm not promoting the cars, not promoting the brands. I just, by the way, talking about that, all this stuff on the element side of the photos that are free for commercial use as well. Just in case you didn't know, you can use it for stuff like YouTube thumbnails, business cards. Um, yeah, this is pretty much endless, right? But anyway, let's get back into sorting out these cars. They're pretty much done. You can mess around with them. It's just a quick tutorial video. Um, anyway, tip 5. You can click Control A or Command A to select all the elements on the screen. That's a very useful one if you want to move it all. Also, tip 6, very quickly, you can bold the text by clicking Control B when you select it, or the bold at the top, as well as italics. And now I'm going to show you how you can add a drop shadow, which is tip 7. So basically, what you want to do is you want to duplicate the text that you have just got, and then you can change the color to like a black or a white or something like that. Send it to the back, and then you want to move the front bit of text like smaller, which is very useful for making stuff stand out. It looks 3D now, and as if you move it to the left or the right, depends on which side the drop shadow like faces. It's not too hard to do. This is just quick demo though. Obviously that doesn't look right. That looks right. Now the add text bit, you can see it. It's sort of at an angle right now, which is quite cool. Makes it stand out, and it's not too hard to do. Let me just show you it with this high. Um, we want to copy and paste it. So Control C and Control V. You gotta select the outside of the box though. There we go, Control C and Control V. And once it's duplicated, you can line it back up to where it was. You want to change the color to something else so it stands out, so you just click the A and then change the color. Let's make it white and then minimize it a little bit, like make it smaller, and bam, that did work before. This doesn't really work, I don't like that, but we can move it wherever we want, and it's not too hard to play around with. That works. That there looks very nice. Tip 8, you can drag and slide and you can group it. And tip 9, guys, we can use a position tool to position it to wherever we want, like the top left, top right, top center, middle left, middle right, middle center, and then obviously bottom left, bottom right, and bottom center. And that is just a nice little trick for you all. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope to see you on the next one soon, and that is all we have time for today on these tips and tricks for Canva users, Canva beginners. These tips can revolutionize your Canva work, and I hope and wish you all the best in the future for your work with Canva. If you do decide to use it, it is a very powerful tool. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.